It's another day to be grateful. From its white sand beaches, turquoise water, and rich marine biodiversity, welcome to Bohol's underwater world.
I'm Ray. I'm part of the group of Vesna Panglao Conservation and we're based here in Napaling. Here in our point to see you. It's a dive site. It's a Napaling point. It's a marine dive site. So a lot of scuba divers and free divers and snorkelers come here. The snorkelers come here for the sardines. Our group is working to preserve and added on pala yung climate change. So that's the Panglao Conservation working on reef restoration dahil sa mga activities dito na damage yung ability to preserve. Dati rampant pa yung dynamite fishing dito. Ngayon, wala na. 2 years ago, yung last.
Vesna Panglao Conservation helps preserve and protect the marine biodiversity of Panglao Island. They are doing a coral restoration and educating the young ones on how to protect its beauty.
To coral reef restoration, we have structures in front. We collect broken fragments. Those broken fragments either by natural cause or by human cause, and then we collect them and then we attach them to structures either by using a strap as a tie to a structure or using clay, a coral gum to attach them to block. We monitor them, tingnan yung progress nila. Another part ng program is education. So, nag-ano kami ng program sa Panglao Elementary School para kasi yung isang understanding namin, we have to start from the grassroots kasi these kids sila yung next generation. So, it would be good as early as maging part ng program ng education ng elementary school about awareness of the natural ecology.
Coral reefs play an important role in sustaining the health of our oceans. They are like the rainforest of the sea. By protecting our ocean, we are protecting the future generation.
Hi guys, good morning. So, as of this moment, I am not doing any activity yet because I have a fever, but Rod is having his scuba diving course, which is led by Ray from Almira Diving Resort. So they will try to explore later the rest of the Napaling Reef point. Later guys! Hi guys, good morning, and we're here at still our resort, and we woke up 5 a.m. We're off to Balicasag Island to see the turtles and the beauty of the island. So if you happen to go to the beach, go snorkeling, freediving, scuba, please make sure to use this kind of sunscreen because our coral reefs are now dying because of the coral bleaching. So make sure you buy showing safe for coral reefs. So that's it guys, I just wanted to share. Ja, matane!
Vlog. We're here at Virgin Island, where you can find a long stretch of sandbar. It's 30 to 40 minutes away from London Beach. Just like what Madonna said, I'm a virgin. Touch for the very first time.
You enjoyed this video? Do not forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Tell me as well your favorite part of the trip. For me, it was the Kayak Asia, the Mangrove Tunnel, and firefly watching. That experience, it was beautiful and magical. I'll suggest to try it with Kayak Asia. Thank you for watching guys, and until my next trip, ciao, matane!